Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have learned many of the things using React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all projects which we have done using React 18. So today I will be also telling you the project using React 18 and today we are also building an amazing project and I hope you will be understanding today's video as well. So in today's video I will be telling you how to build the project of handling fetch error using React 18. So we have just previously built this project, but we have built that using only React.js. Now we are building this handling fetch error projects using React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding this video. So this video will be really helpful, and remember to see this from start to end if you want to learn how to build this amazing handling fetch error project in React 18. And remember to hit a like to this video if you understand this, and also hit subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video as well so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future and I hope you'll be understanding that videos as well. So now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing how to build this amazing handling fetch error project in React 18 from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project of React 18 and today I will be telling you how to build the project of handling fetch error and basically what is this handling fetch error in React 18. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing from start like what is this handling fetch error and how we are building this project. So for building this handling fetch error project, you have to open your VS Code, and after opening the VS Code text editor, here we have to open folder. Like you all know that when I was working with React 18, so I have just already created one folder in the first video of React 18. You can check that video out in which I have telling you how to create folder of React 18. So I'll be opening this folder through my local disk E because I have created that folder on local disk E. Here you can see this is the folder of app1 from which we are working in the previous videos. So here I will be opening this folder by pressing this select folder. You can see here I've opened this. Now we will be working with our two main files which are these app.js and app.css. So here I will be now moving to terminal and running my React 18 or React app here. If you are working with React.js, so you have to also write this command to run your React app. If you are working with React 18, so same command will be written to run React 18 app as well. But if you are working with Next.js, so you have to write npm run dev to run your React to run your Next.js app. So here now we have to open this both files here which is called app.css and app.js because these are the two main files from which we are working. So here I will be raising these all stuff because in the previous videos we have just learned about that. So in the previous video, like I've telling you, what is React Dev Tools. So today in this video, we will be learning about like what are handling fetch errors and how we get handling fetch errors in React 18. So you can see now we will be getting the command of starting development server here, and there it will be starting our development server on our default Microsoft Edge browser. Now I will be doing it side by side, and then after doing it side by side, I will be now just doing one thing. I will be making the coding side bigger because in every project or in everything I just make coding side bigger and this side is small. So you can see now we are getting the command of compiled successfully means our browser means our localhost is working perfectly. So now we are not getting any error. So we have to change the title here which is saying that React Dev Tools. We will be writing our own title. So here I will be moving to my this file and you can see this is the title written. So today in this video we are learning about handling fetch errors. So I will be writing the title of handling fetch errors. Save this. Then you can see now our title has been changed and now we are getting the title of handling fetch error. Now I will be moving to my main app.js file. So for getting the handling fetch error, we have to work on the backend of our browser. So for working with backend, you have to just move to your browser and you have to press right click, then move to inspect, or you can also press F12 to open this development server. Then you have to move to console. After moving to console, for getting the error, you have to now write a tag here. First of all, we write alert tag. Like in the previous video I've telling you, we use alert tag to just open the message dialog, or you can say open the message pop-up. So here I will be writing there is an error. So I will be writing this command. So it will be telling us that there is an error in your file. So here I'll be writing there is an error here like this. Then I will be pressing enter. After pressing enter, you can see now we are just getting this localhost 3000 says there is an error. Means it is saying that in this file we are just getting some error because we have written this command. Because of that we are just getting this like you can say text which is saying that there is an error. So here now we are getting this command of there is an error because I have written this in using alert tag. So for now getting the handling fetch errors, you have to just use a tag which is called console.error. So for using console.error, you have to write console.error like this. Then in the bracket, you have to just write nothing. Just make colon and write nothing in this bracket. And then you have to press enter. After pressing enter, you can see now we are just getting an error here. This is called handling fetch error. So for getting the error, we use console.error tag, which is the main tag to get an error. So you can see now using patch handling errors, we are getting this console.error tag in which we are getting now error. You can see this cross button is coming and it is saying that you are getting error here. So like this, we can work with this handling fetch errors, and these are the main handling fetch errors which we work with. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and like this you can get error using handling fetch errors. So I hope you understand this. You can use it many times as well. If you want to give error, you can also write in the bracket as well, like there is an error like this. So you will be getting the error here. Press enter. You can see now it is showing the error, but with the text now this time. Here we have not written any of the text, so it is showing me the error empty. Now when I've written the text which is saying there is an error, it is showing me this text, and with this text it is showing me the error, you can see. So like this we can work with this handling fetch errors, and using this handling fetch error you can just make your file having an error. So you can see how good looking is that. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and like this we can use handling fetch errors to give errors to our file or get errors to from our file. So I hope you understand this video. This was interesting video, and I hope you understand this tag of console.error, and using this tag we get our handling fetch errors which we get in projects when we want to get any error. So if you have understand this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well if you want to see more videos like that in future. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And soon in the coming up videos I will be telling you more things about React 18 which will be giving you help. You can also check my previous JavaScript tutorial in which I have telling you one thing related to JavaScript, and in the coming up videos we'll be also bringing up some of the other tutorial as well. So just now I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using React 18, and I'll be bringing up more videos of Wig using Next.js 13 and React 18 as well. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.